Well, if you have asthma, then this time of year is the worst for us asthma people. I know I have it myself, and so does my young son. Joining me is Dr. Grieves from the Beaumont Emergency Center. And you're going to talk to us a little bit about asthma and especially with the cold weather. Give us a little bit of a rundown of some of the symptoms that come along with that.
Most commonly, patients, either adults themselves or their children, will complain of feeling shortness of breath, i.e. difficulty breathing. Many times you can hear somebody wheezing. It could be known asthma, but also it can be new onset, especially in the middle of the night.
And so when does it become an emergency? When is a situation where asthma is like, we need to come to the Beaumont Emergency Center right away?
If the complaint of shortness of breath is interfering, say with sleep or any normal daily activity, exercise, getting dressed for work, that is a big concern.
And what are some of the treatments that come along with that that you're able to give here at the Beaumont Emergency Center?
The treatments commonly for asthma involve either nebulized medicines to open up the airways. It can also involve either oral or IV medicines that reduce inflammation quickly to return you to your level of performance.
And what are some of the things besides the cold weather that actually trigger asthma?
Smoking is the #1 trigger. And then unfortunately, viral illnesses are a common culprit that cause temporary asthma, especially in children.
And keeping that in mind, when people actually come in here, do you recommend that some families get humidifiers, or are there things that you can actually do at home to help for preventive measures?
Asthma itself is not something that's preventable, i.e. It is something that can be genetic. It is related to certain viral processes. The biggest thing you can do is cut out smoking within the house and hopefully quit the habit altogether.
All right. Well, Dr. Grieves, thank you so much for joining us. And again, we were at the Beaumont Emergency Center. And if you have an emergency, this is the place to come. We'll be right back after the break.